Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a focus, front-end, back-end, or full stack, and why that matters for hiring decisions. Once chosen, pick 1 to 2 projects that showcase core skills. Make sure each has a live demo, source code, and a concise case study. Prepare visuals and measurable metrics because numbers, load time, accessibility score speak louder than buzzwords. Also collect brief testimonials or links to contributions, so your credibility is visible immediately. You now build project repositories with clear structure and frictionless setup. README, install steps, run scripts, and test commands. Integrate CI for build/test badges. Then write a focused case study for each project, problem, approach, and outcome with measurable results. Once done, make demos robust, responsive layouts, accessibility checks, and performance tuning. Make sure to capture screenshots and a short walkthrough video because recruiters often scan visuals. You assemble the portfolio site with a clear hierarchy: hero, projects, skills, and contact. Host on GitHub pages, Netlify, or a CDN for speed. Make sure each project lists your exact role and links to repo and demo, plus a downloadable CV. Once live, test across devices and browsers and validate links. If a demo breaks, revert to a previous deploy or replace with a short video. This rollback plan prevents dead links from damaging your first impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.